2001 MCQ 22nd question. Okay, object, right, is hung and there are some forces according to the figure. Now it's in equilibrium. We were asked to find out what is the value of F, right? Here, I drew the vertical axis and this one vertical, then Z shape, this will be theta, right? The one thing, if it is in equilibrium, vertical and horizontal forces should be equal. This object uh, is in equilibrium under three forces where when this one is stretched, the tension develops. I put that one as T. Then I can take out the component horizontal and vertical due to this tension. Then this one, this way, T cos theta, this way, T sin theta. To balance it vertically and horizontally. Horizontally, to balance it, you need to equal these two. Then F is equal T sin theta. Then vertical equilibrium, upward and downward. Downward mg equal upward T cos theta. Now you can divide it. Then T and T cancel out. Sin theta divided by cos theta means tan theta. This one ft f divided by mg. Then f is mg tan theta. That is the answer. Answer 1.